Hello guys, hi everyone. I'm audible. Just let me know.
Hello.
No. Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Yeah, shall we start now? Sure. Okay, guys. First of all, let me tell you, in which language you all are comfortable? Hindi, English, or mixed one?
English, but
Both. Yeah. So majority
English.
I can see. Oh, English. Okay, great, great. Don't worry, I'll going to explain in English also. And same thing, if you feel a little bit difficulty, I'll explain in Hindi also. Okay.
Sir, can you upload this video after completion LMS?
Yeah, sure, Ganesh, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, okay, guys. Yeah. So shall we start now? Yes, more participants are coming. I will wait for 2 minutes. Okay. At 9:20 we will start. Yeah, guys. Now we can start. Okay. Welcome to this Git and GitHub session. Today we will see the basic understanding of the Git. Okay, why, what is meant by Git, and what is meant by GitHub. So the difference between Git and GitHub. Then today I'll explain you how you can create your own GitHub profile. So I'll take some participants from your side. Okay, and I'll show you how you can create your own GitHub profile and how your particular project can be managed from the GitHub. Okay, and if you get stuck in between and if you feel any kind of a doubt, so feel to ask me. Okay. Yeah. So shall we start?
yes.
Oh,
Yes.
great. Yeah, guys. Now just let me know. Give me confirmation whether my screen is visible.
Yes.
Is it visible?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Now you can see the session is about the Git and GitHub. So have any one of you out of the 42 participants who have heard about these two terms, Git and GitHubs? किसने सुना है? Anyone? Git क्या होता है and what is meant by GitHub? You can means type in the chat box so I came to know. Oh, great, guys. Okay, now let's start with some Git. Okay. So Git is just like, you can say, it is used to store some source code. Okay, suppose you have made some kind of a project or you are working on a project and by mistakenly, okay, you have done lots of things, around 40 or 50% of the things you have completed on that particular project, and you are using up some language like Python language for your data analysis, and you have written some code, okay, for making that particular project. Now what happens? Your system get crash, or your, you can say, OS get corrupted, and you lost your particular code, whatever things you have written, you have lost in some way. Okay, now what can be the scenario of scenario kaisa ho jayega, right? Because everything which you have worked upon is get lost. So it means that if you buy a new laptop, if I buy a new machine, then definitely from the scratch you have to implement that again, that whole project, right? So for that particular purpose only, means in order to come the drawback of this thing, right? Rather than implementing or doing the code from the scratch, okay, we're going to use one particular system, which is one mechanism, which is called as a version control system. Okay, which is called as a VCS, version control system. This version control system is nothing but a Git. Okay, got it? This version control system is nothing but a Git. Okay, Git is just kind of, you can say, used to store some source code for a project. Okay, and this particular Git will going to keep the track. Okay, track the complete history of the changes, whatever the changes you're going to do on your projects. Okay, suppose you are doing around about to complete 50% of your project, right? And you have done some kind of a changes. So that particular changes also you can save with the help of a Git. Okay, so it allows the data analyst as well as the developer and data scientist to collaborate on a project, and so that particular team who is working on that specific thing, they can collaborate with each other. Okay, and effectively they can model and they can deploy the project in a very efficient way. So in this way, it can easily possibly manage the conflicting changes from the multiple data analysts we are talking about. Okay, as that is the Git concept, right? कुछ अगर changes हमें करने हैं अपने software में या अपने projects में, right? And I don't want to lose that particular project. अब मुझे उसके project के source code को या जो भी मैंने किया उसे lose नहीं करना है, right? So मुझे उसके एक track में रखना है, ठीक है? सारी history को tracks में रखना है, तो हम लोग एक version control system का use करते हैं जिसको हम कहते हैं Git. Okay, Git completely commands पे work होता है. Remember, Git is completely based on commands. Okay, you have to write a several separate commands for it. Okay, so the I'll say the Git is mostly for the developers who is working as a software developer. For them, this Git can be a very useful tool. But for as a data analyst and a data scientist, right? You also have a one particular platform. Okay, one platform where it is a providing, you can say, you can graphical user interface. Okay, GUI it is providing. So that graphical user interface of the Git is called as a GitHub. Okay, जो कि proper GUI में हमारे पास रहता है. And GitHub's के accounts we have to create, because in order to manage our project, right, in order to suppose manage the project with the repositories means a folder, we create a several folders in our GitHub. Okay, so technical term हम इस particular folders को we say call as a repositories. In technical word we call folder as a repositories. Okay, creating a separate folder in each particular part in each project, and you are pushing your particular code. Okay, whatever source code you have with you, you are pushing that code to the GitHub. Okay, so in this particular session we're going to focus mainly on the GitHub. Okay, we're not going to focus on Git, actually what the commands is look like. Okay, I'm going to show you the interface of both the part Git as well as the GitHub. Okay, if you'll see this particular interface, this application, if you're going to see this one, can you see this one? Everyone, let me know.
Yes, sir.
Right, this is called as a Git. Okay, this is called as a Git, where you're going to work upon several programs. Okay, several other commands. Okay, you're going to manage your project with the help of commands. Okay, and yeah.
Just sorry to interrupt you now. This will have to install this on our.
Wait. I'm coming to it. Okay. The things which you have seen, this one, Git bash. Okay, this Git bash. This is called as a Git. Okay. Now you have to work upon a GitHub. So you don't have to install the app. You directly work on you can say it's a web applications. Okay. So you need to log in, you have to create your account, just like you create your LinkedIn account, you create your Instagram and the Facebook account. Okay, so you have to create your GitHub account. Okay, this is all about the Git and GitHub, the difference between Git and GitHubs and why it is used. Okay, mostly for the project management and mostly for the source code, keeping the record and history of a source code, whatever things we are pushing. Okay, so from your side, I want at least two candidates means one candidate from your side. So I'm going to guide them, and on the basis of that, you're going to just follow him. Okay, and if you get stuck in somewhere else, so you can just note down and you can tell me. Okay. Yeah. Any doubt till here? Everyone?
No.
No.
Yeah. So good to go. Yeah. So from your side, out of the 47 participants, can anyone just I can hope that you all have joined from the laptop, right? Laptop, your PCs, or system, anything. So out of the 47 participants, can anyone share the screen? Okay, great. Someone have already shared. Okay, you can close this one. Who has Samrat? You can close this one. Samrat? Yeah, sorry. Now everyone just open your Chrome tab. Okay, any browser you have to open. Open any particular browser. Have you opened it? And just write yes, no in the comment section. Okay, in the chat box, so I can able to see that who is doing and who is not. So you have to open your any browser. Then it will not take that much time. Yeah, now type there GitHub. Type somewhere github.com. When you're going to type the github.com, this particular interface you're going to see. When you type the github.com, this user interface you can see. Can you see this interface? Everyone?
Yes.
If I'm going too fast, just let me know. Okay. Can you see this interface? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now see, if you have already created an account, you already know that you have to do the sign in. But you have not created an account, then you have to do the sign up, right? So everyone, I guess you will have to click on sign up option. On the right hand corner, there is an option called as sign up. You have to click on that option. So after clicking that particular option, you're going to see this interface. Can you see? Just wait. Don't. Can you see this specific interface? Everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yes, Suman?
So wait.
Yeah.
It's not audible.
Guys, am I inaudible? Hello?
You are audible.
Okay.
Yes,
You
you are.
should check your internet connection actually. So everyone got this interface? This one? Shall I move forward? Yeah, definitely you should. You're going to get a recording of this GitHub session also in your LMS. Okay, Vijay. I'll be louder. I'll be a bit louder. Am I not properly audible? Just let me confirm.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
I'm not getting this. GitHub.com. No?
Yeah, it's a github.com.
Hello,
Hello?
sir.
Mhm.
Sir, I have previously installed GitHub. Now I want to, sir, I have just forgot the timing.
No worries. If you have installed it, then I'm going to tell you what you have to do later. Okay, let me just install everyone.
Okay, okay. Sir, can I share my screen for a while?
No. Wait, Shubh. Let
Okay,
me just
okay.
clear the things. Okay.
Okay, okay. Sir, I missed my time. Sir, what you have told earlier, can you please tell that again?
I've just given the introduction about the Git and GitHub, why Git is used and why GitHub is used.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh. Yeah, guys. So I guess everyone is getting this interface. Just let me know. This one.
Yes.
Okay. So you have to enter your email. Okay, whatever email ID you have with you. Okay, so you have to enter your. Don't enter your some organizational email ID. Again, I'm saying you might be having a personal email ID. So enter that personal email ID here. Okay. After entering the personal email ID, you have to click on continue. Yes, Samad, you can do. Right. After clicking the continue, you're going to see this second option, which is called as a create password. Okay. So here at least you have to give us some password. 6-digit password is fine. Okay. Done. Everyone have given this password, and you have to remember the password, guys. Remember, don't forget about the GitHub password, because this password you can log in from anywhere if you want, and any particular machine. If you wanted to do, you can log in from anywhere. Okay. So just remember about the passwords. Give the password and click on continue.
मुझे भारत से प्यार दिया जो इस दुनिया के समानांतर चलती है
Then
आम
guys,
तौर से उस
please,
दुनिया के लोगों का
if
यहाँ आना
you
और
wanted
यहाँ
to
के लोगों
talk,
का वहां
you
जाना
can
भला है
you can unmute. Please mute yourself. Kalika. Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, now you have to give your username. Okay, which username you wanted to give? So you can select your username and you can give it here.
We have to give a unique code for this machine to do.
Okay. So you already know how to give the username. First, it can be anything like your name you are giving, then underscore your last name, or your name and then underscore. You can say 1, 2, 3 like in this way. Okay, and you have to use the numerical also. Okay, like here it have written Samarth, right, Samarth underscore Singh 199. Okay, like in this way. So you have to use the alphanumeric characters. After using the alphanumeric characters, you can see this type of message.
I think underscore is not accepted.
No, underscore not going to accept. Don't, yeah. Can you see this one? Samarth Singh have written this one. Okay, so here it is showing that Samarth hyphen. Don't use the hyphen also, because at the time of login, you're going to log in with your username. Okay, because username and password is very important. So you can remove this one. Yeah. So you can write your first name and last name and your date of birth. In this way, you can create your username. So it will going to show you this available. Okay, if it is available. So have you done till here, everyone? आ गए सब यहाँ पे इस पर्टिकुलर इंटरफेस पे?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Other participant candidates? Just type yes, no, anything. So I can confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, great, guys. Yeah. अब यहाँ पे आ गया समर्थ सिंह. Okay. After this, after creating the username, you have to do the continue. Okay. Now, after doing the continue, you're going to see this type of linings like, would you like to receive product updates and announcements via email? It means that if GitHub have released any kind of a new products and any kind of things, okay, so that notification you want to get or not. So that all the things you can give like yes, no. If you wanted to do the yes, you can type Y. If you wanted to do the no, you can type N. It depends upon you. Okay. Yeah. After giving the no, you can click and options and you can see it. Now, this particular thing is very important. This solving the puzzles. Okay, because you have to verify that in order to solve the puzzles. Okay, so everyone will going to get a different puzzles. I explain in that what the particular puzzle is all about. So you can see it's showing that after clicking on start puzzle, it will show that pick one square that shows two identical objects. Two identical objects means in some may say at least you have to select that square जो कि identical हो. Wait, Samarth, you are going very fast. Wait. Okay, identical मतलब same हो. तो कौन से box में image same रहेगा? That is called as an identical objects. Okay, so out of these 6 options, you have to select one. Okay, so I can see in this particular image 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 image, I can see which 2 objects are identical one.
The fourth one.
Fourth one. Yeah. Select on that fourth. Yeah. See, done. So it will going to ask for the 2 times. Okay, so you have to click on the identical objects. Right. So you all can identify, guys. Right. Which are the identical objects are there? Everyone?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
सबको पता चलेगा वहाँ पे कि दो identical objects कौन से हैं? Right. Am I going too fast? Fast, Jano, just let me know.
No, sir.
Okay. Done. यहाँ तक सबका. I'll wait for 2 minutes till everyone identify the objects.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, I am getting some issues on while opening the GitHub because I have already installed. I am getting some issues.
Okay. Sure. I'll come into the issues later on.
Okay.
So guys, shall I move forward? Sunu Thakur had done with the turn. Guys, let me confirm. Others? Yes. No?
Yes,
Yes. Thank you. Okay, now you can create account. Can you see? Create account option. Okay, after creating the account, okay, whatever the email ID you have been provided, okay, after clicking the create account button, you're going to see this interface, and whatever the email ID you have provided, just go to your email, Gmail, and check any particular code have been come, OTP has been come or not. Okay. So you have to provide this OTP. Got it? You have to provide this OTP. After providing the OTP, you're going to see this interface. Can you see? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So have you provided with the OTP? Others, let me know. Suman, are you saying something because your voice is not that much audible? Yeah, guys. So done till here. Does everyone is getting this interface?
Yes.
Others, let me know.
Yes.
Oh, okay, guys. Great. Now we can move further. Now, after giving the OTP, you're going to see this one. Welcome to GitHub. It means that you have created your profile. Now, in anywhere in, you can say in a notepad or in your phone, just remember about your username and your password. Okay. Because this username and password, if you have used it, you can log in through your phone also. You can log in anytime with another PCs or any system. If you're not with your system currently, then you can log in with your phone also. Okay, doesn't matter. So you can remember about the username and your password which you have set. Now we're going to do with a little bit this type of things, like this all the questions which I've asked here in the white background. We will answer that. Now the first question is answering that. It is kind of a personalization. Okay, so how many team members will be working with you? Okay, so you can give a just me because you are working just now for yourselves and just me, right? So it will ask the second question, are you a student or teacher? Mostly we give as a student only. Okay, you can select as a just me and student and click on continue. Right, after clicking on continue, you're going to see this type of options. What specific features are you interested in using? Okay, means what are the different features you wanted to use in a GitHub? So these are the some options has been given. Can you see collaborative coding, automation and CI/CD tools, security, client apps, project management, and audit pack. Okay, so you can see team administration, community, right? Several other things has been given. So for this, I can say, just go down, scroll down a little bit more. Scroll down more. Okay. Guys, can you say skip personalization? Can you say here, skip personalization here? Okay, don't select anything, just skip the personalization. Click on that, skip personalization. After skipping and clicking on that, you're going to enter into your dashboard now. So can you see? Can everyone is able to see this dashboard?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Others? Shraddha, Vijay, Shubh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Can you see this dashboard in front of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yes. I can see the so many yeses. Great. Now, see how have anyone seen the Discord server? किसने Discord देखा है? किसको पता है Discord क्या होता है?
No, sir.
No. See, Discord is kind of a collaborative platform where you're going to share your ideas. Okay, where you can create your own organizations, your own spaces, and you can add a members in it. Okay, it's a combination of you can say Telegram, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Okay, that is called as a Discord, where it will going to take your some personalization. So in that way only your GitHub also works in that way. See, can you see the first box only? Help us personalize your feed, means what are the topics you are interested about and what topics knowledge you wanted to get it, or what topics knowledge you wanted to gain. So you can means add topics like suppose someone add 3D, artificial intelligence, automations, just add this some Python, machine learning, just add this term, machine learning, yes, virtual reality, select at least 3 to 4 and great, and refresh feed, right? And after clicking on that, you can see different accounts has been come. Like you follow the account in Instagram, right? You follow the account in Facebook, like that only. Like GitHub also give this type of features, right? Following the accounts, so you can see their repositories, you can see their codes, what they are launching, okay, their new products and their new documentations. So these are all the things you can talk about. Now see, for the machine learning, we have a very important library called as a scikit-learn. As for you all taken the course of a data analyst, so you all can also going to learn this library called as a scikit-learn. So you can follow this one, okay, and you can see and different updates, whatever the updates are going to come from this particular library, you're going to create here. So this is the simple interface has been provided by the GitHub. Now our main motto is that we have to create our own profile in this GitHub. Okay, because remember guys, the most important thing that you're going to do your projects, right? Because in industry, the most important thing is not going to show you assignments, how many assignments you have done in any kind of an institute or any kind of a company, right? The important thing, you're going to show your projects. So if I can be an interviewer, okay, and I'm taking the interview, and I'll tell that yeah, you have done some kind of a projects, right? आपने कुछ projects किया हुआ है ना, मुझे बताइए क्या proof है कि आपने projects किया है, right? Definitely I'm going to ask this question, क्या proof है आपने किया हुआ है projects? You're going to say, yeah, I've done 10 projects, I've done 15 projects, I've done this, I've done that, right? ऐसा बोलोगे, but क्या proof है? Okay, what the proof you have that you have done the project, right? कुछ तो चाहिए दिखाने के लिए, हमारे पास रहना चाहिए कि है कि नहीं, कि हाँ, these are the things I have, right? So for that particular things only, we have this GitHub प्लेटफॉर्म. यहाँ पे हमारे सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हम अपलोड करते हैं हमारे रिपोजिटरी में, ठीक है? हम खुद का एक रिपोजिटरी बनाते हैं, खुद का फोल्डर बनाते हैं, और उसमें हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हम क्या करते हैं, अपलोड करते हैं. और जब भी हम रेज्यूमे क्रिएट करते हैं, तो रेज्यूमे एट द टाइम ऑफ द क्रिएशन ऑफ रेज्यूमे, we copy the link of our GitHub profile. GitHub profile का जो लिंक रहता है, we copy that link and we directly paste it into our resume. Okay, so that particular interviewer will going to check. You can directly say that I have my GitHub accounts. Okay, I have a little bit knowledge on my version control systems. Okay, and some project management also I have done from the GitHub with the help of GitHub. So you can check my all the projects there. Okay, so definitely he'll going to understand. Okay, and he'll
Sir,
going to,
can we write these projects in our CV, the resume?
yeah, definitely. You can write your projects. Definitely you have to write your projects, because whatever projects we have done, okay, some mega and very, very big projects. Like you have done 10 projects, you can't write like a 10 projects, means like you have done the name of the 10 projects. Exactly, you have to mention about it, what the main project means, the big one, which have taken a lot of time. So that you can mention, and you can mention like small projects. I've done around 5 to 10 small projects, like things you can mention in your resume. Okay. So now coming to the GitHub part, GitHub पे आते हैं. अब important thing है यहाँ पे खुद का profile create कर. How you can create your own profile, that is very, very important. So can you see the right hand side? There's a some on right hand side top corner. Can you see this option? Yeah, this one. Everyone, can you see this option? Your profile, your repositories, your projects, your stars, guests, sponsors. So can you see everyone, all of you? This thing?
Yes,
Just
sir.
say yes, no. Great, great guys. So you have to click on your profile. You have to click on your profile. Just click on your profile. Okay. Yeah, go up, Samar. After clicking your profile, okay, you have to create your own profile. Like see, Samar, go to this edit profile. So edit profile, can you see on the left hand side, edit profile? Guys, after going to the edit profile, you have to create your own profile here. Like you have to give your name, the real name. I'm going to show you the actual GitHub profile also, how it looks like, the professional GitHub profile. Okay, I'm going to share my GitHub profile here only. Yeah, just give the name, and you can change here this. You can change this particular. Can you see? Okay. So after clicking the image, you can come here. Okay. After clicking the image, you're going to come into the this section. Wait, someone. Don't do that first. Wait, let everyone do. See. Can you see after when you're going to click on that image, you can come into this section, like public profile. Can you see everyone? Again, I'll come. Go back. Someone go back. Go back again, go back one more step. Yeah, so can you see, go here in this spot, and you have to click on your profile. Okay, after clicking on your profile, you're going to see this interface. Okay, you have to click on edit profile. Okay, and you have to click on image. Okay, click on image. When you're going to click image, you can see this type of interface has been done. Can you see everyone? Just let me know. Yes, no?
Sir, please show again.
Yes.
Again? Okay, Samarth, again. Can you please do it again? Yeah. Whenever you have opened, यहाँ तक आए थे सब, शुभ?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे आने के बाद इस पे क्लिक करना है. Go
Yes,
to
sir.
your profile. Again, can you see? Edit profile पे आना है.
Yes, sir.
And you have to click on image.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
got it,
Sir,
this one?
sir, but why we are doing this again? This part.
We have to create our own profile, तो हमें profile बनाना पड़ेगा खुद का
Okay.
completely, right? How we suppose क्या होता है, you have created some Instagram account, right? Suppose
Yes,
you
sir.
have created with a username and everything. So you want that I want some of my followers, right? I wanted to look out from the crowd. So I want to create that Insta profiles, right? That Facebook profiles, LinkedIn profile, right? You create your own profile, right? By
Yes,
giving the
sir.
names, bio, and everything. You wanted
Yes, sir.
to stand, look out, and you wanted to get the number of followers,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So in that way only we're going to create a GitHub profile in order to stand out from the crowd in the market. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, in this public profile, can you say the name? You can give your own name, the real name which you have. Guys, yes, Samat. Now you can give your name. Like Samat having the name has Samat Singh. So he's giving his name. You all can give your name. Okay. Okay. Next, bio. If you have given your name, next is bio. Like in bio, you have to tell about yourself. Okay, what you are. You are in some enthusiastic person, or you are a very collaborative person, or you are very, you can say, suppose a very creative one. Okay, or you are a computer science student. Okay, you love the AI, ML, or you love the data analyst, or you're a data analyst only. So this is a bio you can tell about yourself. Okay, so you can give a very short bio like I'm a great enthusiast who works with the data. Okay, or a data scientist who loves to be present with the data. So this type of profile you can give around a 1 line or 2 line of profile. Later on, you can change it yourself if you got a nice learning and words from the different Googles and part. Okay, so you can give your bio. So just for now, someone they give you like I'm a very enthusiastic person. You can give a very enthusiastic person. And always ready to accept the challenge. Ready to accept the challenge. Okay, so this particular bio, different bios, so you can give it. Okay, if you have your own, you can definitely give it. Just this is the demo part I have shown to you.
Yes, yes, sir. So, does it need to be like a formal one? Like, do we have to mention our like where we are working if we are an office?
Yeah, definitely, because this is a professional
Mhm.
this one interface. Okay, this is a professional management has been given. So you have to be a little bit of formal. Okay, don't give a just kind of a very slanky one, guys. Right?
Mhm.
कभी कभी मैंने देखा है बहुत slanky type रहता है वो language. So then don't use the slanky language. Just be of very simple and be a very formal one. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, pronounce. Pronounce. Yeah. Can you see pronounce? Pronounce means this. You can select on your own. You already know. Like if you're a boy, then he and him. If you're a girl, then she and her. Okay. So you can check your pronouns. Yeah, next part is URL. Suppose you have created some account, means some portfolio you have created, okay, on your web by using the website development. And suppose someone is a front-end developer, okay, and he have created your own project, means portfolio in the web only. So they can give the particular web URL of the web. Hence, this is the optional part. You can skip later and you can go to the next section.
Sir, can you tell that again? What is URL?
URL means suppose you have created some portfolio, okay, your own portfolio, your own resume. Okay, so
Okay.
you can give your own that URL name, that URL link you can give here. Okay.
Okay.
If you
Okay.
don't have, you can directly skip it. That not much necessary. Social accounts. Now, which are the social accounts you have? Okay, suppose you have Instagram or
LinkedIn.
Facebook or LinkedIn. Okay, so you can very easily link it from here. Okay, so
Yes,
it
sir.
depends upon you. If you wanted to link, you can link it. Next one is company. Okay, company you can give any. Suppose you are in working some company, so you can give in a name of that working company. Okay, by using the @ first you have to use the @ sign and you can give it like in this way. Just like Samarth is working in Capgemini, so you have given @Capgemini.
But I think it's not showing anything after applying that.
Yeah, it depends actually. See, this can be a very optional part. Okay.
Okay.
In bio only you can write that I have worked as a data scientist or data analyst.
So, like,
That not that
mandatory or can I remove?
No, it's not mandatory. It's not mandatory. Don't worry about it.
Sir, it is mandatory to write in the with the sign of @
No, it's not mandatory.
Okay.
Okay. Now next location. Suppose I live in Pune, so I'll going to give in Pune. Samarth, you live in which city? You can give in. Samarth live in Delhi, so you can give in Delhi. Okay. And you can select this option. This display the current date and time. In which current date and time you are in now, so you can select it. Let it be. Don't use any other options. It will going to select automatically. Okay.
Okay.
Next, you can, after doing all the things, okay, after giving the social profiles and all that part, you can click on update profile. Okay, guys. Now,
Yes, sir.
after updating the profile, you have to change your profile picture. If anyone have given the profile picture, here she can set it. So
Please
yeah,
set it.
so yeah, this can be a very good one. Right. So any profile picture, if you have, you can give it. Depends upon it. Okay. So you can click on edit options. You can upload a photo. Okay, and good to go. You can select it from here, like in this way, and see it's done. Okay. So this is the account creation of the GitHub, guys. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Definitely, I'll provide the recording of this, Monica. Think what about the students? Yeah, students also you can say the same thing, because for the students only we have created this particular profile. Okay. Now this is the account creation. Okay, which is a very layman part. You already know how to create your simple accounts, right? Now the important part is that how you're going to manage your projects. Okay, means how particular project you can upload, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is very important. Yeah. Now go up little bit, Samarth. Yeah. Click on. Can you see again that that's right hand side on the bottom right hand side? This
No.
one. This profile option. Then right hand upper part. Again that. Okay. After clicking on this, you have to go to the second option, that is called as your repositories. Okay, so just click on, after going profile option, select the your repositories. Okay, remember, the more number of repositories you have means the more number of works you have done. Okay, the more number of projects you have done. Okay, so repositories means you're going to create your own folders. Okay, and in that folders there can be several other projects has been given. Means one folder can contain 10 projects, 20 projects, 30 projects, like this way. Okay, and you have means very number of projects, so you can give a different number of repositories you can create. So
Hello.
you're going to come into this section called as repositories, and you can create a new repository here by clicking on new. Okay, come into repositories and click on new. Done, everyone? Till here, did you got this interface? You are like,
Hello.
yeah, Shubh.
Sir, we have to create a separate folder for that repository.
No, repository is only called as a folder. Okay, technical term uska repository hai.
Sir, we can create many as many we want.
Yeah, it depends upon you. You're going to create as many you want. Okay, the maximum limit, I guess, has been given to the students is 5 GB per user, per email ID, per account.
Sir?
Till 5 GB you can upload your project. Yeah.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, Suman. Yes, Suman.
Sir, due to some network issue, I left behind. So,
You can
मैंने
watch
अभी
the
login नहीं
recordings.
किया है.
Yeah, you can watch the recordings.
तो ये वेडनेसडे तक सेशन है ना, तो तीनों सेशन में एक ही चीज बताएंगे आप या फिर तीनों दिन अलग अलग होगा?
Of course, तीनों दिन अलग अलग
हाँ?
होगा. मैं आ रहा हूँ. तीनों दिन अलग अलग होगा. Guys,
तो अगर हम रिकॉर्डेड सेशन गो थ्रू करें तो उसमें से समझ आ जाएगा ना इजीली?
Definitely, मैंने बहुत बार चीजें रिपीट की है यहाँ पे. Easily you can fit.
Okay, then it's fine. Thank you.
Okay. And today I'm going to show the account creation. ठीक है, मुझे कल तक सबका अकाउंट बन जाना चाहिए guys. Around I guess 5 to 15 to 20 minutes का काम है. So कल तक everyone should make their account from till tomorrow. Okay. And today only I'm going to show you how you can upload your projects. Okay.
Sir, but after that I want to share my screen.
Okay, no worries. So till tomorrow, I should means have every one of your accounts. So at Wednesday, I'm going to review each one of you what you have created. Okay, so by taking 1 to 2 minutes, I'm going to review what are things you have uploaded and what are things you have done till now. Okay. So now coming to the section again, which is called as a repository. Okay. So after going to your repository section, again, Samad, can you click this profile option? Profile option. Okay, you can go to profile. You can click on your repository. Just click on that. Okay. After coming to here, you're going to see this interface. Okay. Now this interface, you can click new. Okay. After clicking the new, can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, others, other 41 participants, can you see this interface?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now you have to give your
Yes, sir.
repository name. You can give your repository name. Any repository name you can give. Okay, anything. Suppose Samarth, you want to upload some assignment or some Suppose Samarth wanted to upload some assignments. Okay, means some assignment, and this repository name means your project name can be also be there. Okay, so Samarth, write Excel. Suppose you have completed Excel project, you can write Excel project, right? Excel project. Okay, so you can write in this way, Excel project. Okay. Next option is an optional one. Suppose you wanted to give the description. Okay, you want to give the description. So you can write, I have created Excel project on sales analysis. You can write in this way. Suppose Samarth has been created as some kind of a report or some kind of a project on Excel. So you can write a few one-liner description about it. So suppose Samarth write, created a sales analysis report on Excel. Right. So a very simple and layman terms it has been written. Right. Next is very important, that is public and private. Guys, for you, I'm going to tell you, keep all the projects public. Okay, don't hide your projects. The one who is working with a very confidential data or very code lacking part, so they can select a very private one. Okay, so anyone don't want to see that all the things he is doing or she is doing. So you can select a private, right? Private account, public account, पता नहीं कैसे वैसे ये work करता है, public and private. So for all you all, I guess you don't have any kind of a confidential things. ठीक है, तो आप सब यहाँ पे पब्लिक अकाउंट सबका ऐसे बाय डिफॉल्ट रहेगा, यू कैन सेट इट पब्लिक ओनली. ओके, नेक्स्ट गो डाउन, डोंट डू एनीथिंग लाइक हियर. ठीक है, इसमें से कुछ नहीं करना, डायरेक्टली यू हैव टू क्रिएट रिपोजिटरी. Create repository. After clicking the create repository, you're going to see this type of interface. Can you see? Everyone?
Yes.
सबको आया ये? Others? Others 39, 40 participants. Did you got this interface?
Yes.
Yes.
After creating this new repository?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Yeah. Now, अब हमें ना अपने projects को upload करना है. Okay, that is very important. So how you can upload it? So can you see this one? Get started by creating a new file or upload the existing file. Someone, can you see uploading an existing file?
Oh, this one.
Yeah. So you have to click on uploading an existing file. So click on upload an existing file. You're going to see this interface, right? So suppose you have created some projects and you have kept in some folders. So you can choose a folder file from here. How you upload that something? So in that way only you have to do. Okay, so you can choose it from here. Suppose Samarth has been kept his particular projects in some sections. Okay, anything. Wherever you have kept that particular project, you can select it from here. Okay, can you see? You have selected and you have uploaded. Here you can see Excel assignment docs, right? So you have selected that project and you have uploaded this file here. Scroll down. Yeah, here you can write, suppose some extra description about the projects, what you have done, basically what you have done in the project, right? So someone suppose has written a extra sales analysis, right? So you can write that I have done some sales analysis on the basis of given past data and I have predicted some kind of a future outcomes on the data. So anything which is related to the project, you can write it. This is the optional part. If you want, you can write it, or else you can leave it. Okay, depends upon you. Right? Suppose
and
no, don't have to. This actually this means you are writing a heading. You can write a sales analysis. You can write a sales analysis.
Oh, like a heading.
Yeah, like a heading part. Okay. So this commit changes can be an option part. Okay, if you wanted to write, you can write it, or else you can leave it. Next, after doing all the things, you're going to do the commit changes. Okay, you're going to click on commit changes. Got it? Guys, now commit changes का मतलब होता है, commit का means होता है, since that you have suppose finished your work, okay, and we have already moved from one stage to another stage, one step to another stage, right? Keeping the track of all the progress, whatever the things you are doing, and keeping the track of it, you do the commit option. Okay, तब हम commit करते हैं to track the some kind of a progress.
Hello,
Hello,
sir. What are this number?
which now, which one?
Sir, this
सर आपने कमिट का क्या
2F.
बताया, प्लीज रिपीट.
Commit means whatever the means progress you have done till now, whatever things you have done till now, you wanted to keep a track of it. ठीक है, उसका track रखना है. तो अगर मैं next time पे log in करूँ तो मैं वहाँ पे आ जाऊँ, मुझे वापस से सब कुछ ना करना पड़े. Okay, I can start from there only where I had left. Okay, for that particular thing we use the commit. Okay, and Shubh, you can say this one now. This is the commit number. Okay, ये commit का number है.
Okay, that 2F 220B1. Okay, okay.
Yeah, this commit number कि किस time पे ये commit किया गया. So you can say 1 minute ago यहाँ पे दिखा दिया, 1 मिनट पहले हमने commit किया था.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now guys, suppose you wanted to check what you have uploaded. So someone, can you click on that Excel assignment docs? Yeah, just click on that. If you click on this particular project, yeah, suppose view raw, click on view raw. Okay, so you can see means now just Samarth
File
have
has been downloaded.
given a docs file, right? So it had downloaded the docs file. If you have uploaded your some Excel means Power BI project or Power BI file or Excel file or SQL code you have written, so you're going to see the SQL codes. Okay,
In this page itself.
yeah, I'm coming to it. Okay, I'll share my profile there. I'm going to show you. So I guess everyone have just created this file and everyone understand how to create and how to upload the project, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Others, let me know. 36 participants.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So does anyone have get any kind of a doubt?
Sir,
Mhm.
hello, sir.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Sir, suppose we have uploaded the about Python code or anything. Sir, how can we protect it? Means if anyone can copy it, na?
See now, GitHub is that kind of a platform where I've already said कि वो एक collaborative platform है. Collaborative means anyone can share your code, anyone can view your code, anyone can download your code, okay, and anyone can use your code. So you are using for the public, right? अगर public रख रहे हो तो definitely सब लोग करेंगे. Private रख रहे हो तो definitely कोई नहीं करेगा. तो वहाँ पे मैंने जब repository बना रहे थे तो वहाँ पे option आता है ना public का private का, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
can set a private, so no one is going to use it. If you want that everyone should use it, you can set as a public, right?
But sir, फिर तो वो plagiarism issue हो जाएगा ना? फिर
कौन सा issue होगा?
plagiarism का issue हो जाएगा ना? मतलब copy paste हो जाएगा ना? फिर अगर कोई copy कर देता है मेरा कोई code वो copy कर देता है फिर तो plagiarism issue हो जाएगा.
मैंने वही बोला ना, कैसे कॉपी करे? जब प्राइवेट रख दोगे तो कैसे कॉपी करेगा कोई भी?
प्राइवेट सपोज मुझे दिखाना है मतलब कि मतलब जो हायरिंग मैनेजर है उसको दिखाना है फिर
See, what is the name of your person? What is the name? What's your name? What's your name?
शायद
Yes, I. Copy issue का बात किया है तुमने तो let me tell you, around this particular GitHub profile used by the around millions of developers, millions of data scientists, ठीक है, millions of people are using, right? अगर मैं बोलूँ कि millions of people copy कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें से कोई एक अगर हम कॉपी करें तो क्या वो मतलब बहुत गलत रहेगा?
नो
गलत रहेगा?
वो नहीं बोल रहे हो. मैं सपोज बोल रहा हूँ कि मैंने सपोज एक कोड लिखा तो कोई सेटिंग्स ऐसा है क्या जिसमें से जस्ट सिर्फ मतलब वो कॉपी नहीं कर सकता हूँ, मतलब मैं देख सकता हूँ मगर कॉपी नहीं कर सकता ऐसे मतलब वो होता है ना जो
रहता है वो है सेटिंग, पर वो एंटरप्राइज वर्जन में, हम लोग फ्री वर्जन यूज कर रहे हैं, राइट? एंड टेल मी व्हिच कोड यू आर गोइंग टू राइट कि कोई कॉपी ना कर सके. डेफिनेटली अगर किसको हेल्प हो रही है तुम्हारी कोड से और वो कॉपी करना चाहता है, देन व्हाई यू नॉट गोइंग टू गिव इट, राइट? किसको अगर हेल्प चाहिए,
So sir, what is the benefit of doing that?
what is the benefit of doing that?
What, sir?
What do you have asked? What is the benefit of doing it?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah, sure.
what we get in doing that?
Starting का 5 to 10 minutes में skip किया था ना, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, मैंने जैसे कहा था और just earlier also I have explained कि अगर मेरे पास मैं किसी प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहा हूँ and after doing the some kind of a work around 50% का काम हो गया, suddenly मेरा ड्राइव या मेरा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्रश हो गया, करप्ट हो गया, तो मुझे वापस से पूरे प्रोजेक्ट को वापस स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, राइट?
Yes, sir.
From the scratch. सो इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड दैट थिंग कि मैंने जहाँ पे लेफ्ट किया था मैं वहीं से स्टार्ट करूँ, उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं GitHub to keep the track of all the changes we have done till now.
Okay. So sir, if we are copying someone's code, we get the benefit in terms. And sir, what will other person will get the benefit if someone is copying their code?
I didn't understand. Means what you're trying to
Sir, it shortly,
suppose
सर अगर मैं आपका कोड कॉपी कर रहा हूँ तो सर उसमें मेरा बेनिफिट है, एंड सर इसमें आपका क्या बेनिफिट है?
मेरा कुछ नहीं बेनिफिट है, डेफिनेटली मैंने अपना प्रोफाइल पब्लिक रखा है, सो आई वांट टू हेल्प ऑल द पीपल्स हूएवर इन द GitHub प्रोफाइल.
तो सर वी गेट एनी पॉइंट्स, एनी स्टार्स इफ समवन कॉपी?
नहीं, वैसा कुछ नहीं रहता. मैंने क्या बोला, ठीक है, 256 मिलियन अगर कॉपी करे तो सबको पॉइंट्स और चार्जेस अगर लगने लगे तो ये बैन नहीं हो जाएगा.
यस सर.
सर ऐसे कर सकते हैं क्या?
It's more like open source actually. So just
Guys,
like
definitely it's
like
a open source.
Sir, I'm asking something different, sir. Sir, like in Google Drive, we can make it private and then can share the link. Whoever access the link can see it. So कोई ऐसा option है क्या ऐसा?
सी अब मुझे बताओ, अराउंड मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल्स में सयक, ठीक है, जिसको लिंक शेयर करोगे वही देख पाएगा. ठीक है, ऑफ कोर्स तुम्हारा नेम किसको पता है? आर यू दैट मच फेमस कि किसको तुम्हारा रिपोजिटरी पता होगा, सो ही कैन एबल टू गिव गो इनटू योर रिपोजिटरी एंड वो जाके तुम्हें वहां से कॉपी कर लेगा?
नो सर.
एंड मुझे बताओ कि हाउ एनीवन विल गोइंग टू कॉपी पता है किसका किया जाता है? हु हैविंग मोर देन 50 रिपोजिटरीज, हु आर हैविंग मोर देन 100 रिपोजिटरीज, जिसके पास थाउजेंड्स ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स दिए हुए, जिसने किए हुए, ओके, वो कॉपी करते हैं, राइट? डेफिनेटली जब तक इसको अपना GitHub लिंक दोगे नहीं तब तक वो कैसे कॉपी करेगा?
यस सर.
आउट ऑफ द मिलियन पीपल्स हाउ ही कैन टू नो कि आपका जो आपने कोड लिखा हुआ है वो एकदम बेस्ट है, सिलेक्ट कर सकता है, ठीक है, कॉपी किया जा सकता है, राइट?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now see, this is my profile. Can you see?
Yes sir.
If I'll come into my repositories, just अभी मीन्स ये किया था, एक अपलोड किया था हमने फाइल समर्थ ने, राइट? उसका शो नहीं कर रहा था क्योंकि डॉक्स फाइल था, राइट? नाउ सपोज आई हैव डन सम काइंड ऑफ एन प्रोजेक्ट्स आई हैव डन, ओके, एंड इन दैट प्रोजेक्ट्स सपोज आई विल शो यू वन प्रोजेक्ट. ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, सीक्वल का हम लोग ले लेते हैं. सीक्वल का मैं एक ले लेता हूँ, सीक्वल प्रोजेक्ट्स. कैन यू सी? मैंने सीक्वल प्रोजेक्ट्स अपलोड किया था. कैन यू सी जस्ट 57 रिपोजिटरीज, ठीक है, हर एक फोल्डर के अराउंड में अराउंड 10-12 दिए हुए. सी मैंने एक सीक्वल का प्रोजेक्ट मैंने यहाँ पे रखा था. कैन यू सी? सीक्वल का होल कोड आ गया यहाँ पे जो मैंने अपलोड किया, सब कुछ
यस सर.
आ गया. तो इस तरह से वर्क करता है. गॉट इट?
This is after pressing that drop button.
राइट, कंप्लीटली देखो यहाँ पे कोड है. कैन यू सी?
Yes sir.
गॉट इट? सो इस टाइप से ये पूरा वर्क करेगा. ओके,
Yes sir.
सर जो आपने वो एक्सेल असाइनमेंट करवाया बुटा वो है नहीं मेरे पास, तो कोई और
ठीक गाइस असाइनमेंट्स मत करना अपलोड यहाँ पे, ठीक है? अगर असाइनमेंट्स कर भी रहे हो तो एक काम करो, ठीक है, असाइनमेंट का एक सेपरेट ये बनाना, ठीक है, कुछ इस तरह से. सपोज मैं न्यू पे जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है, एंड यहाँ पे एक असाइनमेंट्स का आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे सपोज लिख दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, एंड here's my assignments. मैंने ऐसा लिख दिया. अब यहाँ you already know पब्लिक करना है प्राइवेट. So if you wanted to keep yourself, you can set the private or else you can set the public. Go to create repository. ठीक है, अब जो भी आपके पास assignments रहेगा, go to upload an existing file. Choose your files. Okay, you can choose your files from here easily. Okay, suppose कोई files है मेरे पास, इतने files है, right? ये files को मैंने select किया, मेरे assignments है, मैंने open किया, यहाँ पे अपलोड हो रहा है. 1 out of 3 out of 9 फाइल्स हो गया.
Yes sir.
This is the option. Doesn't matter if you want, you can deselect and commit the changes.
Sir, after commit we can't revoke the changes.
No, you can't revoke the changes.
Okay.
ठीक है, वो गिट्स में होता है, GitHub में. तो देखो मैंने यहाँ पे अपने इतने मैंने असाइनमेंट सपोज मैंने किए थे, मैंने यहाँ पे रख दिया है यहाँ पे असाइनमेंट्स. ठीक है, अब चेक करना रहेगा किसको. अब व्यू पे क्लिक करेगा तो वो क्या करेगा, इजीली डाउनलोड कर सकता है एंड यू कैन एबल टू सी इट. ओके,
Yes sir.
So in this way, you can see different things has been done. अब suppose मुझे ना repository नहीं रखना, मुझे repository क्या करना है, delete करना, ठीक है? I want to delete my repository. So you can go to the settings. Okay, and in settings you can rename your repository. Okay, at last can you see this danger zone? यहाँ पे
Yes,
आ रहा है
sir.
option, क्या आ रहा है last option में, delete
Delete
this
the repository.
So you can delete this repository and take option hybrid.
Sir, what we are getting this hero star?
What?
Sir, 7, sir, this line.
This
Hero
star.
star. Yes, sir.
Stars means how many people have like in your projects. Okay, suppose you are contributing some open source, तो open source पे हम contribute कर रहे हैं, शुभ, ठीक है? तो उसमें कितने stars तुम्हें मिले, वही वो दिखता है कि इस particular project को कितने stars मिले थे.
Sir, मतलब how someone like our code.
हाँ, ठीक है?
And sir, can we see who is the watcher of our code?
Yes, definitely. Watcher भी हम देख सकते हैं कितना दोनों ने देखा हुआ है.
नहीं sir, name of the watcher.
No, name नहीं.
No name, only the numbers of the watcher.
ठीक है, name अगर दिख जाएंगे अगर उसने follow किया रहेगा, ठीक है?
Okay, so sir, we can see if someone is following us, then we can see the name.
Names also. Okay.
Okay.
Now see, अब इसको delete करने के लिए what do we require? We require the जो भी हमारा नाम है यहाँ पे, दिख रहा है डबल कोट के अंदर में, तो इस नाम को इजिली इफ यू वांटेड टू कॉपी यू कैन कॉपी इट और यू कैन राइट, मींस ऐसे लिखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि कॉपी तो हो नहीं रहा है, ठीक है? ऐसे कॉपी नहीं हो रहा है. इफ यू वांट टू कॉपी यू कैन डू इट और एल्स लाइक राइट इन दिस वे. ओके, so suppose you are
2003
fire and suppose you are giving the assignments. Okay, and this is also in
sir, you have to give the hyphen also
yeah, definitely
after
Okay.
s.
कुछ भी अगर guys मिस हुआ, wait, सीधे स्पेलिंग्स, अगर स्पेलिंग्स या कुछ भी रॉन्ग होता है तो आई गेस वो नहीं लेता है. ये ले नहीं रहा है. वेट, लेट मी, या हो गया. कैन यू
Yes,
सी
sir.
डिलीट दिस रिपोजिटरी?
Yes, sir.
इट्स डन. डिलीट करने के लिए क्या करता है, हमेशा GitHub मोबाइल मतलब ऑथेंटिकेशन लेगा, ठीक है? ऑथेंटिकेशन मीन पासवर्ड. सपोज मेरे पास मेरा फोन है, उसमें ऑथेंटिकेशन मांग रहा है, ठीक है? तो मेरे GitHub पे जाना पड़ेगा मुझे. अगर आपका GitHub में मतलब फोन में अगर GitHub ऐप रहेगा तो वहां पे जाके यू कैन गिव द ऑथेंटिकेशन. सपोज मैं यहाँ से दे रहा हूँ, अप्रूव कर रहा हूँ 90, ठीक है? एंड क्लोज किया, यहाँ से ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ से हो जाएगा. सी हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have a different means in this way you can create your own repository and you can create an account and you can manage your
Hello?
projects from there.
हेलो
Yeah.
हाँ सर, अगर हमें किसी दूसरे का कोई प्रोजेक्ट या मतलब देखना है, जैसे सर आपका ही है, तो कैसे देख सकते हैं? मतलब
सिंपल, जब मैं अपने यहाँ पे
Profile.
यहाँ प्रोफाइल दिख रहा है, योर प्रोफाइल
sir.
में जाओ, ठीक है? योर प्रोफाइल में जाने के बाद ये लिंक दिख रहा है, लिंक.
यस सर.
सपोज ये लिंक मैं कॉपी कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? एंड मैं ये ग्रुप में पेस्ट करता हूँ, ठीक है? जो टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है उसमें मैं पेस्ट कर दूंगा. So you can easily able to see it.
ओके सर.
Okay,
ओके सर.
got it?
Yes, sir.
सर यस.
Oh, great. Okay, so guys remember, इस टाइप का अगर प्रोफाइल हुआ, ठीक है, डेफिनेटली कंपनी विल गोइंग टू अप्रोच यू. ठीक है, एक प्रोफाइल देख के भी कंपनीज अप्रोच करती है GitHub को, रिमेंबर. Okay, because remember doing the 57 projects is not a very small thing. Okay, and each contain the different projects, different case studies and all the things. Okay, if you're going to see my each particular folder will going to contain this type of all the projects. इतने projects एक folder में है मेरे पास. Okay, total I have a 57 one. That's why company have selected me for as a data scientist and I'm working as a data science trainer in the projects.
Okay.
So this is all about the Git and GitHubs.
Sir, if the things are done, can I share the screen?
Yeah, sure. Just let me ask from everyone. So all of you, have you understand all the things?
Yes.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Any other doubts? guys, कुछ भी doubt है, कुछ भी?
Sir, I have done Power BI project, so can I upload that?
Yeah, definitely you can. कोई doubt है guys? Any doubts if you have? Just let me know.
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
great. Okay.
Sir, can I go with that?
Yeah, you can. So guys, your task is that you already know, right? You have to create a GitHub profile by tomorrow, and at least whatever the things you have done, you have to create your repositories, and you have to show it to me. Okay.
Sir, is the screen is visible?
Yes, sure, it's visible.
Sir, when I opening from that application, GitHub.
Don't use a desktop one.
Okay.
Yep.
Sir, I
guys,
get
remember, don't use this GitHub desktop application in your computer. Use the web version of it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
वेब वर्जन इज द वेरी सुटेबल वन. डेस्कटॉप सबसे अलग होता है, डेस्कटॉप वर्जन अलग है और जो गिटहब का वेब ऐप है वो बहुत अलग है. ओके.
सर मोबाइल के लिए ऐप आता है इसका?
हाँ आता है ना, मोबाइल के लिए भी आता है, फोन में भी कर सकते हो.
ठीक है सर, ठीक.
ओके. फोन में यू कैन वॉच योर रिपोजिटरीज. ओके, डिफरेंट थिंग्स है वहाँ पे. एंड गाइस रिमेंबर, डोंट डू एनी काइंड ऑफ अ मिस कैलकुलेशन विद द गिटहब. वहाँ पे अगर कुछ नहीं पता हो तो डोंट टच इट. ओके, because any miss operations will going to crash your particular profile. Okay, so just remember you have to do with your repositories and you have to update your repositories. Okay, rest all the things if you wanted to learn in deep, definitely I'll going to take a YouTube lecture. मैं live जाने वाला हूँ. Right, I've completed with my VB automation. Now I'm going to move to the Git and GitHub. इस week रहने वाला हूँ जिसमें मैं Git के साथ completely from the scratch. I'm going to start from the Git commands to the GitHub advanced sections. Okay, so there you can join at 7 p.m. live to my team. Okay.
Just sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
तो जो रिपोजिटरी हम अपलोड करेंगे, जो कल आप जो चेक करेंगे, तो बेसिकली इसमें होना क्या चाहिए? लाइक वी हैव डन टिल नाउ एक्सेल के.
नो सिर्फ सपोज किसने कुछ नहीं किया, सिर्फ रिपोजिटरीज एटलीस्ट बना के रखो. जो 6 मॉड्यूल्स के रिपोजिटरीज है आपके पास, ठीक है, 6 कोर्सेस है, 6 मॉड्यूल्स है, इन 6 का ऐसे एम्प्टी रिपोजिटरी बना के रखना. एम्प्टी.
ओके.
एम्प्टी बना के रखना. एंड अगर उसमें कुछ ऐसा रॉ फाइल ऐड करना है तो यू कैन ऐड द रॉ फाइल्स इफ यू वांट.
raw files as in
कुछ भी any other file, कुछ भी, just for the sake like अगर मुझे आगे फ्यूचर में करना है तो for that any raw file I will upload, you can upload it. Got it? So I guess anyone have any kind of doubt? Anything? Let's कुछ doubt है, कुछ भी, कुछ doubt say, so you can easily ask me or else we can conclude our session, guys.
Sir.
Okay, guys.
Hello.
Fill the feedback forms. I'll share the feedback forms. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Who is this? Sonit. Yes, Sonit.
रिकॉर्डिंग में मिलेगी सर इसकी सेक्शन की?
हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगी ना.
ओके सर,
कल तक मिल जाएगी.
Sir, please give me a 5 minutes, then I will ask.
Sir, this much is enough for as a data analyst?
Yeah, for data analyst, this much is enough. Okay,
sir.
For this much is enough. Okay. If you are software developer, then definitely बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है, ठीक है, completely depth में इसकी study करनी पड़ती है. But if not a software or you are just a simple Power developer or you are some you can say data analyst, then इतना काफी है, ठीक है.
सर सेम भी है वो मशीन लर्निंग या फिर डेटा साइंस के लिए भी ना?
हाँ, what say?
डेटा साइंस या फिर मशीन लर्निंग के लिए भी या तक?
नहीं, डेटा साइंस एंड मशीन लर्निंग के लिए एडवांस इसका लगता है थोड़ा.
एल्गोस लगेगा फिर उसके लिए?
नहीं, बिकॉज फिर यहाँ पे फिर डिप्लॉयमेंट आ जाता है, इसके साथ डिप्लॉयमेंट हमें करना पड़ता है कभी.
मतलब ये सिर्फ फाइल्स शेयरिंग के?
नहीं, सिर्फ फाइल शेयरिंग के लिए नहीं, ये तो बस एक इसका एक फीचर है, सिर्फ एक सिंपल सा फीचर है फाइल को अपलोड करने का, ये करने का. इसके अदर फीचर्स बहुत है, बहुत ज्यादा, ठीक है.
Yes sir, now I'm going. Sir, the screen is visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Sir, it was correct or not?
Yes, it's correct. It's totally correct.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So guys, can I conclude my session?
Yes.
Okay, guys. If you don't have any kind of doubt, okay, and if you got any kind of doubt, definitely we have a session tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
We will connect.
Sir, that time was same.
Yeah, time will be the same, 9:15 to 10:15.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Chalo,
Thank you,
bye-bye.
sir. Bye, sir.
Good night.
Good
Okay,
night,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night, sir.
Good night, guys. Good night.